Welcome to my first video on programming in Java. In this tutorial, I will be going through programming some problems and meanwhile I'm going through programming that problem, I will be explaining it to you. So it's basically giving you a little uh, more info on programming, and this series is not gonna be for like beginner programmers. This is more for people who already know a little bit of Java. Since I won't be doing it in a tutorial style. I'll just be doing it like coding and explaining the code and stuff, for certain projects. Okay, for what I'm gonna be using in this series is NetBeans, which is the IDE that I use to program Java and some other languages. If you want to use Eclipse, that's also fine, but I use NetBeans, so that's what I'm gonna be using in this series. Okay, so to download NetBeans, if you want to use that, just go to netbeans.org and you go download it and install it. I'm assuming that if you're watching this, you already know how to do all that, so I'm not going to show you how to download that. It's pretty simple. I'm just telling you what website to go to. So I've already downloaded it, installed it, but actually I downloaded it and installed it a couple months ago. So NetBeans was in beta 8.0 was in beta version. As you can see, I have beta version, but the new version is actually out. The full version is actually out now, but I'm not gonna go ahead and download that since I was already on the beta. I'll just continue with that. I doubt there's any big changes to it anyways. So once you've downloaded and installed NetBeans, you can go ahead and open that. And as you see, I already had it open. And we have our basic things here. As you can see, I'm on Mac, so my navigation stuff is gonna be at the top. So to create a new project, you could go to File, New Project, or you could click this right here, or this icon right here with the folder with the plus on it, which is basically a new project. This is to add a file, or you can also go here and click add a file. This is to open a project. You can also go to file and open a project. So they make it kind of, you could do it whichever way you feel necessary. And you can also even use the uh, the commands to also accomplish those tasks. But I like the way they program stuff. They always give us options, and as you see here, we have 3 options of doing just that one thing. Okay, so we have our basic stuff here. We have our edit tab or views tab, navigation, source, refactor, run, which is where we go to run our project, debug to debug our project, etc., etc. Okay. Okay, guys, so that is the first video, just showing you an overview of NetBeans. In my next video, I'll be going through a simple little project, so come back and check out that video. Okay, I'll see you guys soon, and remember to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.